Jessica Burshad, and I'm joined here with Chloe Daniel and Natalie Nelson.
We are here today to share with you some amazing social emotional learning resources created for you by Plano ISD educators.
We are Plano teachers working with the Family and Social Services Department who lead and value social and emotional learning and truly believe in its ability to help our students become self-directed, empathetic, and responsible learners.
Our district approach is universal, equitable, and holistic in order to embed self into every classroom and to reach every student and staff member.
Let's start with the basics.
Social emotional learning, SEL, is an educational process through which skills for life effectiveness are intentionally taught and modeled in a safe, supportive, and culturally responsive environment.
So why social emotional learning?
Social emotional learning will empower students to become responsible, productive, and contributing members of a global community. So what are our SEL core values? We believe in the power of compassion, relationships, hope, community, diversity, and trust. Our core values are communicated through our actions and interactions with students and with one another each and every day. So what time do we teach it and for how long?
Teaching SEL doesn't just happen at one point during the day. SEL is a change in your mindset. You can find opportunities all day long to have short conversations with your students to give them the tools they need to be successful in the future. A great time to address some recurring needs is during a morning meeting. This can be a 10 to 15-minute time that happens once a day, where you build classroom community, work on communication skills, growth mindset, self-management, and more. Another way to include SEL practices is to embed them throughout academic lessons. For instance, if the math teachers are covering personal financial literacy, you could also cover responsible decision-making during the same lesson. We all know that it takes a village, so having SEL practices school-wide and specific policies and procedures that reach the home as well would be one of the best ways to strengthen your school community.
Cool, show us the teaks.
Well, that's the thing. Currently, the state of Texas does not have set SEL standards. Lucky for us, Plano ISD has adopted K through 12 standards for Plano teachers to direct their knowledge and instruction of SEL. Plano is currently using the Collaborative for Academic, Social, and Emotional Learning, CASEL, as the foundation of our framework. This separates SEL out into 5 competencies.
Self-awareness is the ability to accurately recognize one's own emotions, thoughts, and values, and how they influence behavior. Self-management is the ability to successfully regulate one's emotions, thoughts, and behaviors in different situations.
Social awareness is the ability to take the perspective of and empathize with others, including those from diverse backgrounds and cultures. Next up, relationship skills. That's the ability to establish and maintain healthy and rewarding relationships with diverse individuals and groups.
Last up, responsible decision making. The ability to make constructive choices about personal behavior and social interactions based on ethical standards, safety concerns, and social norms. The realistic evaluation of the consequences of various actions and a consideration of the well-being of oneself and others. If you want to find out more, check out the resources at pisd.edu/SEL. As always, have a wonderful year, and we hope we have
Sold you on SEL.